So, today is the day that ChatGPT is going to change the internet forever. ChatGPT finally adding plugins for ChatGPT Plus customers. What does this mean? Watch this demo video by the co-founder of OpenAI, Greg Brockman, to know what changes this will create in the future.
Today I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to do some simple meal planning. First, let's head to the plugin store to install the necessary plugins. Next, let's ask ChatGPT for a restaurant recommendation on Saturday, a recipe for Sunday, the total calorie count, and to order the ingredients on Instacart. First, it's using OpenTable to find me a great restaurant for Saturday. For Sunday, it's finding me a simple recipe, and it's asking Wolfram Alpha to calculate the calories. 862, great. Now let's make the shopping list. Alright, all we have to do to order the ingredients is click the link.